So we are going to look at the angle between two planes, the angle between skew lines, and the angle between a line and another line to conclude on this topic. So in this example, the figure below shows the top of a desk. The base ABCD is a rectangle of 40 centimeters by 30 centimeters. The edges AP, BQ are all 8 centimeters. DS is 18 centimeters. So if this is 8, this is 10. So it is inclined. Now, AP is equals to BQ is equals to 8 centimeters. So all this is a cuboid. ABCD QXYP is a cuboid. Then PQXYSR is a wedge. Is a wedge on top of the cuboid. Now, calculate the length of QR. Calculate the length of QR. Now, to get QR, it is simple because we have RX, QR, QX is 30. This is 10. So here we just use Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, this is the longest side. QR will be the square root of 30 squared plus 10 squared. 30 squared is 900 plus 100. 900 plus 100 is 1000. Therefore, we are looking for the square root of 1000, which is the answer is 31.62 centimeters. So that's how we get the length of QR. Now, let's go to part B. Calculate the angle between planes ABCD and PQRS. You can see they are not attached. Therefore, we translate plane ABCD, because they are parallel and equal, to be PQ X Y. So this plane, the base, has been lifted to be PQ X Y. So in other words, where are the two planes intersecting? As PQ are intersecting here. along this line. That is the line of intersection. So it appears that this is a straightforward question because the angle will be this one. Why? Because XQ is perpendicular to PQ. RQ is also perpendicular to PQ. Therefore, we shall have this angle here. This is Q. This is X. This is R. Since this is 30 and this is 10, the angle is this one. The angle is XQR. So sometimes the angle can be straightforward. That is the angle. Now we have the opposite. And this is the adjacent. Therefore, we use tangent. Tan inverse of 10 over 30. 10 over 30. You press shift, tan, shift, tan, 10 over 30, or 1 over 3. The angle is 18.43. The angle is 18.43. So, that angle is direct. Now, the inclination of PR to the horizontal. Of PR to the horizontal. In other words, the inclination is another word for the projection. Inclination is another word for the projection. How? So we are looking for the projection of PR on the horizontal plane. Now, the projection is PX. This is the horizontal, which is also AC. So what is the angle between PR and PX? I will leave that one for you to do. What is the angle between PR and PX? Because the projection of PR on the horizontal is PX. So you have to therefore get PX using Pythagoras theorem. Remember, this is 40 and 30. PX will be the square root of 40 squared plus 30 squared. Once you have PX, you have RX as 10, then you use tan inverse. You use the tan inverse because this is the adjacent, this is the opposite. So you can get that angle. Now, part D. So I'm leaving you with some work to do. The angle between PS and RX. Now, you see, these are skew lines because PS is not attached to RX. So, we can translate RX to be SY. We translate RX to be SY. Or we translate PS to become QR. So what will the angle be? The angle will be, this is RX and this is Q. Now QR was PS. PS has been translated to be QR. Why? Because they are parallel and equal. So what is the angle between QR and RX? It is the same angle that we found. This one. So therefore, part D has already been answered. The angle is this. So that's how we calculate these angles. So you can do more questions from the book.